Peace to all the gods on earth. Welcome back again to Chance and welcome back to Opportunity. Within this video today, I am going to be going over what are generational curses and how to find them within your natal chart. All right. Okay. So I have wrote this out for everyone. So what are generational curses? You all can screenshot this if you like. All right. So in order for you to understand what are generational curses, you need to first understand your past life, all right, for you to fully grasp it. So you are your mother and your father, literally. Your past life is your mother and your father, all right? You are an upgrade version. You are here to advance. All right, you are here to advance your mother and father. You are here. You are capable astrologically to get over your generational curses, all right? You are a genetic code. You are 23 chromosomes of your mother and you are 23 chromosomes of your father. All right. Genetically, this is biology. Okay. 23 and 23 make 46. Okay. So right here, this is what I want to explain. So here's a chromosome right here. Right. So inside of the chromosome is our DNA, and you are 23 chromosomes of your mother. All right. Came from your mother egg. All right. And 23 chromosomes, all right, of the sperm, okay, came from your father. All right. 23, 23. It's the chromosome, inside is the DNA. All right. So when the sperm, okay, when the sperm goes into the egg, all right here, here's the picture. Here's the pictures right here. And the first, when it comes together, 23 plus 23 make 46. And the first cell to develop is called a zygote. All right. So that's you. You are a zygote. You came through your mother and father. It's a chemical reaction that occurred where you came through. And all of the life lessons that your mother and father did not learn, did not comprehend, did not get, you are able to overcome that generational curse. You get it. You get it. You understand. You to understand that, okay, I am my ego, right? Which is my astrological program, which is my conscious mind. This is my finite self, right? And then you know that you are your conscious mind, and then you know that you are your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is your super ego, which is God, which is the infinite self. You are playing two roles simultaneously. You are finite and infinite at the same time. You literally are playing two roles simultaneously. And when you realize that, okay, my subconscious mind is God. My subconscious mind is the superego. My subconscious mind is realizing that, okay, well, if I know that there's no separation when it comes to the subconscious mind, right? Because we hear everything in first party. So everyone, and you know that life is a projection, all right? You are a holographic projection of your genetic code, and everything is being projected out. So when you know that, right, I'm gonna get into quantum physics also about the observer's effect. You realize that everyone is you. Everyone is you in parallel universes, literally. Everyone you see is you. You are your mother and father, and everyone is you. Okay. But when we talk about past life, that's you. All right. So it is important to know that you are your mother and that you are your father. Okay. All right. So what I want to say is that when you reach the Christ conscious, you know that everyone is you. You are everything and everything is you. All right. To have your conscious mind, your subconscious mind to expand to the super ego. I am everything and everything is me. So you understand that you are a upgrade version of your mother and father. All right. So like I said before, all of the life lessons that they didn't comprehend, that they didn't get, okay, they was placed in different simulations, different settings, getting the same lesson, and just kept on repeating the same mistake. All right, did not learn, did not advance, did not grow. You here to overcome that. So I actually want to show you where you can find your generational curses within your natal chart. Okay. And I'm gonna give you the websites if you haven't already got your essential birth report. If you have, then I'm gonna show you. All right. So this picture right here is very important. I want to explain this really fast because astrology and biology are the same thing. It's just different interpretations of the same thing, literally. All right. That's why I have the chart wheel right here. And then we have the DNA. All right. These are the different ACTs and Gs that you have, the different nucleotides of ACTs and Gs right here. So when you get your natal chart, I'm going to show you where to find your genes. Okay. So a gene is just a piece or a segment off of the DNA strand, okay? And then I'm going to show you your entire genome within your natal chart, all right? So before I go any further, okay, you all can look at this picture right here. Now, your angels are your trines, your sextiles, and your conjunctions. We'll talk more about that later. Right now, we're talking about the generational curses. To find the generational curses within your chart, which are called demons, okay, are your squares, your quincunxes, and your oppositions. Squares, quincunxes, and oppositions. All right. So, like we learned from Chief Eligio Bishop, is that a demon is nothing more than a negative thought form. These are negative thought forms. This is you're not interpreting reality correctly. You having a very unhealthy perspective. You just, the way the light is bending in your mind is just so distorted and you're not seeing things clearly. These are the squares, quincunxes, and oppositions. Like, and the worst demon is the squares. Okay, those are the toughest because it's just 90 degrees. It's, squares. Okay. All right, so I will be giving you all the websites, but this website right here, I took a screenshot of just a portion of a natal chart, and it's called astro-seek.com. All right, so when you actually get your natal chart, you're going to look at your major aspects. All right, your major aspects, and you want to look at, like, if you see right here, I put the word genes, okay? And then you see the DNA, because when you like that, like I showed y'all the picture, astrology and biology, the same thing. So that's why I have the DNA right here. So each aspect, just one aspect is a gene. Okay. One of your aspects is a gene, a piece of gene off the DNA strand. What makes me different from you is just the active genes that's on the DNA. Like, we all share the same DNA, but what makes us different is just the different genes that's selected on the DNA strand. All right. And so let's say Sun trine Uranus, that is an angel aspect. Let's do like Moon square Pluto. Moon square Pluto, that's a generational curse that you inherited either from your mother or your father, that the way the light is bending in your mind is, it's not, you're not interpreting reality clearly. All right. It's distorted. It's certain challenges that you're going through that you have to overcome, that you have to face, that you will find within your natal chart. Those are your genes. Now, when you actually get your entire chart, this is just a screenshot of just a portion of a chart, right? When you get your entire natal chart and you look at all of your aspects is your entire genome. Okay, that is your entire genome. And like we learned from the most honorable prophet Eligio the Christ, is that DNA is the mind of God. All right. DNA is the mind of God. Okay, so here's the websites. All right, you all can screenshot this. There's tarot.com. All right, very inexpensive, under $20 or maybe a little bit over 20, $22.95. It went up slightly, no big deal. And here's the websites. You can screenshot this. All right. All right, so I will be talking more about generational curses, all right, within the natal chart on another video. Okay, so before I end the video, I want to say I'm thankful and grateful for the most honorable prophet Eligio the Christ, and peace to all the gods, and I love myself. If you all have any questions, you can leave comment down below. All right, peace.